a lot of our participants do attend Santa Monica College, Pierce Community College, LA Valley College, Moore Park College, West Valley Occupational Center. There's a plethora of vocational schools as well as community colleges out there for them to attend.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Duplessis Barmore, and I'm the Director of Educational Services here at OPI.
As Director of Educational Services for OPI, I help participants develop their academic plan as well as monitor their progress in reaching their educational goals. So within the first 72 hours that a participant is admitted, they would meet with me and we would go over their IAP for education, so their individualized achievement plan for education. So we just sit down, we have a discussion about what are some of your strengths in the area of education. They let me know if they're good in writing or if they're better in math, if they're a self-starter, if they're very highly motivated. From there, we then assess their challenges that they have with academics, as far as if they're unable to focus for long periods of time, if they have problems staying motivated, if there's a certain subject that just really isn't good for them, and things of that sort. From there, we kind of assess the situation and we come up with 3 goals for them to achieve while they're here at OPI in the realm of education. From those 3 goals, we would come up with some strategic action steps for them to do right now to achieve those goals. If a participant does come in and they don't have their high school diploma, I would help them to gain their high school degree or whatever degree is beneficial for them and where they are at this time in their life. We also have participants who have been accepted to major universities, who have taken a leave of absence, so they can come here and I can facilitate getting them started in just some student success seminar classes so that we maximize their success when they do go back to attend those universities they've been accepted to. There's also a plethora of universities in the surrounding area, such as Cal State Northridge, UCLA, USC, Cal Lutheran, which is down the street, and other universities in the area for the participants to attend. So I would facilitate the college application process, making sure they're keeping in compliance with the deadlines and the dates of the college applications. The participants are required to give me their syllabi so that I do know when things are due and when there are midterms, finals, etc. I also facilitate for any participants if they need special services such as extra time on tests, no distraction rooms, books on tape if they're more ADAL learners and things of that sort. I then update the parents on how their child is doing so that they don't feel out of touch, since majority of our participants do come from out of state, some from other countries, so that they feel that their child is taken care of and they're actually doing something while they're here at OPI. Ultimate goal is for the participants to know how to do this for themselves, and if they do go on into the 4-year institutions or they surpass that and go into graduate programs, that they know how to facilitate the college realm and they know how to facilitate academia to the best of their ability.